Hello and welcome everyone for this second video. We'll continue our series about ADK, and today we'll learn how to integrate like model context protocol inside our agentic workflow with ADK. We'll create like a very nice agent that can access data from Binance using an MCP that I found on GitHub. Just to explain you a bit like how it works. So of course I will put you as a link the definition of the model context protocol of Google. But to make it very simple, in the previous video we created our tools to get the financial data. We hardcode everything, but basically in general you don't need to hardcode everything. You can just use what we call model context protocol, where you have like a lot of functionality that are already coded, and whatever the topic. In general, you can find a relevant MCP for your project. So why I choose this MCP, Binance MCP? Because you don't need like an API key. It's very easy to use, and I think like because of this project, it's more how to integrate like the MCP with ADK. I think it was the easiest option. But you feel free to change, to play with different MCP, or to even improve the project. So the good news is it's very easy to integrate an MCP to your agentic workflow. You have like the MCPToolset class. I will let you read and dig into details, but basically you're taking all the different information of the MCP and you integrate it with the class of Google. Yeah, this is like the way to add like your MCP. Let's go to code. Okay, so basically it works like before. You have like you follow the structure, you create your folder. For me it will be the second agent MCP. You can call it a crypto agent or whatever you want. You follow like you have your init. Also a new concept, you have like the dot environments where you can store like your different key for the different API. Today we'll use OpenRouter. OpenRouter, what is it? It's a kind of API. It's an API where you can call like different model. So you put credit on it and you can call whatever model you want. Most of the most famous are available, like Gemini, the last model of OpenAI, or any of the XAI model or Chinese model that was released from Alibaba or something like this. It's very easy to call. So now let's call like our MCP. So basically we'll follow like the structure of ADK. We'll call it Binance MCP. We'll use our toolset. I'm following if the auto suggestion works. Okay. So basically I didn't create anything. I just follow like the different indication of the GitHub. Now we'll create a root agent, so it works exactly like before in the previous video. But instead of calling the tools that we code, crypto analysis agent, and basically because I created it before, you will call like the model of your choice. For us it will be Grok. So it works on OpenRouter. You go on OpenRouter, you select like the model that you're interested in. Some models are better like in finance, in academia, or health, or anything that could be useful. You can also call a local model like we did previously, but it was to show you a bit like how it works. You put like your description, so now it's an agent that can analyze data using the Binance public API. You give like the instruction, So basically, my autocompletion works very well because I coded this project just before this video, so at least I don't have to do it by myself. But basically, how it works, like you give like the different functionality. For this, I let the autocompletion doing it, but it's not the right way. If you want something very serious, you go to the different functionality and tools. Okay, that's the different functionality and tools, and you can get all the information that you need, um, and you will give like some guidelines. So in general, it's to be polite, to maybe not reveal information about like how the agent is made, to not let like the user use inappropriate vocabulary inside. You can really play with the guideline, but it's not like the topic of this course. And in tools, yeah, I don't know if you remember in the past we had like a functionality that was created in order to analyze RSI. Instead of this, we'll put like our Binance MCP. And now let's try it. So I don't know if you remember, you need to use ADK Web. Let's hope my auto-completion like respect like the agent, but okay, it's loading. Okay, so now we have our user interface locally. Let's open it. Okay, so now you select like the agent you're interested in, so whatever the name you put for your folder. For me, the second agent MCP. We'll ask about the price of the Bitcoin. What is the price? What is the price of the Bitcoin now? Or whatever crypto you're interested in. For the first question, it's always a bit slower, but in general, it's quite fast. Okay, so now you can see like our model. How it works. You see like the different functionality of the MCP. So is able to choose which of the functionality could make sense. So for this we got like the price of the Bitcoin, but let's say we want like the Ethereum now. What is the price of Ethereum? Sorry if I didn't write it well. The price of Ethereum is this. So basically, it's going to carry like Binance and get the data. So our first agent that didn't know about like this data, and now access to Binance, and it could be extremely powerful if you know about trading, if you want to understand the order books, the historical data, and all the information that could be relevant. So you can play with this. Thank you very much, and that was an introduction to MCP. In the future, we'll create like much more complex workflow, but for now it was a kind of overview, and to see how easy you can integrate in few lines of code um, like different functionality that you didn't even have to code yourself. Thank you very much, and see you in the next video. And do not forget to subscribe or to let a comment or to like the video. Thank you very much, and have a great day.